Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to install Windows 11 on your PC. So for doing that, you need to open your browser and search for download Microsoft Windows 11. You will now see this interface. So scroll down and here you can see the download Windows 11 disk image ISO. You need to download this ISO file. So select download and from here select Windows 11. Now click on download and it will start to downloading. So before downloading you need to choose your language. So from the language option, choose English. It was useful to use English. Now choose English and click on confirm. Now here click on 60-bit download and install it. It will take some time to install it because it is a very large file, but I'm skipping this in this video. We also need a Rufus file to create a bootable USB. I already had this file, so I will open it. You need to download it from your browser. So right click on it and click on No. It will open your Rufus interface. From here, select your USB device. Make sure to connect your USB device. It's mandatory. And from here you need to choose your file that you are going to download. So click on select and select the file that you download. I mean Windows 11. Now everything will be same as before. In this year, in GPT it will be GPT. It will be the same as before. Everything will be same. So just we will just click on start. You can initialize the volume with Windows 11. I did this and click on next and now click on OK. It's a warning that so click on OK. I already removed my file from the USB. And it will take some time, but I skip this. While restarting your PC, click on F12. It will take you to your boot menu. Now click on USB. It will take some time to load. Let's wait. Now the window interface will be open. It will be same as before. Language is English. Everything will be the same as this. Just click on next. Now click on install. Now it will install your Windows in your PC. Now installation is done. Now click on next. Everything will be same. Just click on accept. I accept this checkbox and next. From here I'll choose custom install Windows, and I have these partitions from before, but as I'm seeing as I'm teaching you how to install a new PC, so I'm deleting these partitions from here. I don't need this right now, so just click on delete and OK. After the deleting, we'll click next. It will start your copying your Windows file, and it will take some time, and after the copying it will start to installing Windows. This Windows will take some time. I skip it. Now your PC will restart. Make sure that your PC don't turn off between this. If you have a power cut, then everything will start from before, so be careful. Now it's loading. It will now you can see the Windows has been installed and it will open interface in the screen. So from here you will select your region. So I'm selecting United States and next. So choose your keyboard language. So I'll use US. Next, skip it. So make sure to not connect to your Wi-Fi. create your password. I skipped it and click on next and accept. Your Windows has been downloaded. It's opening. Everything is getting ready, so just wait. It can take some few minutes based on your computer or PC configuration. Just a reminder, don't turn off your PC between this and your Windows is already set up. We can see your Windows here. So thank you everyone.